Hello and welcome to another vlog. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ayo Otomiwa. My name is Ayo Otomiwa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is a little bit random because tell me why I left the house that I'm going to get like body care and skincare stuff in a couple of shops in town. Well, right now I'm at the other side of town doing something completely. I'm on the other side of town doing something completely different. So I literally just thought to myself that, okay, I'm off today. What am I doing? I need to get body care and skincare stuff in the city center. Well, I'm on the beach just because I can. It's completely the other side of town, but I don't care. I'm on the beach. I really just wanted to see the water and I'm on the beach. So I'll just walk around for a bit and then I'll go to a cafe that I've been seeing on Instagram I wanted to try. Like I was saying, I have somehow managed to find myself at the other side of town. I think it's just been because the beach has been on my mind for a while. And I'm off today, so I just thought to myself, why not? The things I'm going to get in town should not take me so much. It shouldn't take me so much time. So I'm taking like a really big detour and going to the other side of town first. I'll walk around the beach just for a little bit because it's cold. It's really cold. For some reason, I was thinking it was going to be slightly warmer, so I'm not even wearing like a really thick coat. Because the weather said it was going to be 10 degrees, but it feels colder than 10 degrees, and maybe because I'm at the water side now, it's a bit colder. But yeah, I'll walk around a bit and then I'm going to this really cute cafe that I've been meaning to try out their coffee. So I'll go there and get a cup of coffee, sit down for a while, and then go and do the actual things that I plan to do. So this vlog is basically like a body and skincare one. I think it's fair to also put self-care there, turning to the things that your heart wants. Like in my own instance now is walk by the beach and a stop at the cafe that my heart wants. So it's only fair that I put it there. I've walked enough at the beach. I'm taking a quick break now to sit down because it's very cold and I want to record and it's really windy. So my heart is fine. We have tended to what we want. We've seen the water. I'll come back here at some point with my husband again when it's probably sunnier. I've seen the water and now I'm going to the coffee shop, and after that I would go to the shop that I plan to go initially to get skincare. My first stop will be Tkmaxx. I always find like really nice stuff for skincare in Tkmaxx. So my first stop will be Tkmaxx and then I'll go to city center for boots and Superdrugs, and that'll be me all done. So I know actual shopping will not take time. It's all my stops and my side quests that will take me time. But yeah, welcome to another vlog. So if you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome, and if you're seeing me for the second or third time, you are returning subscriber, you're also welcome. Nice to see you in another vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. good. My God, look at this beauty. I actually don't look good. I'm back home. I'm not sure exactly where all my recording videos stopped in the shows because I started getting tired of picking up my camera to record at some point, so I just thought to show you all the things that I got. Let's start from Tkmaxx. I got this moisturizer. Can you focus, please? I've never tried it before, so we're going to try that. And then I love Milk Baileys and Adin just for the smell. I like that as a body wash. I am normally a Naturium girl, but I did not buy Naturium in all the stores today because I like buying my Naturium from Space NK. I know both sell Naturium, but Space NK gives me like tiny, what do they call them, samples. So I like buying my Naturium from Space NK just because of samples. Then I get my Beauty of Joseon. I hope that's the name. I get my serums and toner from Tkmaxx also. I also bought this to try. I've never tried it before. I know it is, what do they call them? K Skincare. What are they called again? But you shall get it. It's a Korean brand. So, and it's Centella Asiatica. I've used it before. Usually like very calming for my skin. So I'm going to try that. Also, what did I get again from Tkmaxx? I got something from Inky List. I ended up with plenty Inky List things in this particular shop. Yeah, this vitamin C and EGF serum. Can you focus? That's the one. And onto boots. First of all, something I've actually never tried before. Bioma. I bought the hydrating milky toner. My skincare this time around is focusing on barrier. Like I feel like my face skin has started becoming really dry and the weather is not helping, so I bought products that are focusing on barrier. And then I got Dove body wash from Boots also because I like Dove. I like the smell most of the times. I like this vanilla cashmere. I think that's what this one is. Shea butter and vanilla actually is really good. It smells really nice. Add that to Naturium cleansing oil. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. And then Simple. I believe in Simple supremacy all day, every day. For some reason, I don't know, it just really works on my skin. So Simple moisturizer. And I got this from Superdrug because for some reason it was £18.50 in Boots. I bought it for £14.80 at Superdrug. Yep. The thing I would do is I would always shop around for a good price. I cannot be wasting my money. Now I remember Tkmaxx gave me this chocolate. I don't know. Yeah, I know why. She said that because I had the Tkmaxx treasure card. So they gave me this chocolate. It's really nice. And then up next, I got E45 dry skin girly, thanks to the UK weather. I buy my E45 in Home Bargains because for some reason their price is so much more reasonable than every other person. I think it's for like £6 in Home Bargains, but in Boots and Superdrug it's £7.50 or £7.90 in Superdrug, but in Boots it's worse, so I buy it from Home Bargains. And then Home Bargains for some reason has Natural. They have Inky List. Don't judge me. I bought 3. I always have niacinamide. No matter what happens, I always have niacinamide. I alternate between ordinary and Inky List, and I have like a big ordinary one that will soon finish. So I was like, might as well buy Inky List niacinamide. So I bought that one. And I bought retinol serum just to try. I have a retinol that I normally use, the retinol brand that I normally use. So, but this is supposed to be kind of mild. So I'm going to try that. And then this that I've never actually tried before, but I've been wanting to try tranexamic acid serum. So it's kind of brighten and reduce hyperpigmentation. So I got some of that too. And that's all. Other thing I got is toothpaste and toothbrush. And that is the end of this all. Overall, I think it was a good day. No, actually, I think it was a good day because my heart is happy, even though my body is exhausted. I saw the beach, I walked around a bit, and then I went to a cute cafe for coffee. It was good. And cinnamon buns. I love my cafe days. Like, I try to go to cafe like 3-4 times sometimes in a month. I have like special pots allocated to cafe because they're just really nice. Sit down with your cup of coffee, a book. I had a book today, or I not read anything. But yeah, I like cafes. I really like cafes, and I walked by the beach and I bought everything I needed to buy for skincare. Even though it looks like I bought the whole shops, but all these things that I bought, and I probably don't need to buy anything again for the next 6 months. So in the end, it is worth it. It is really worth it. But yeah, that's all done. That is me. Let's close this vlog now. Thank you for watching up to this point. I'm all done. At this point, I think I'm going to the kitchen to make dinner, or what might be dinner or lunch. I'm not sure yet, but it'll be minced meat sauce, some kind of bolognese kind of thing. That's what it's going to be, because is it a vlog if I don't cook, if I don't add food videos to it? And I'm doing self-care and body care. Food is also what? Self-care. So I'll try to record that and add to this video, but if I don't, then this clip won't be there. So let's close the vlog properly. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Just know that when I say thank you, like, I actually mean it from the bottom of my heart, because I thought that I'm making the video, this particular video, I have 80 subscribers. Like, can you believe that 80 people somewhere have like clicked on their phones or TVs or computers to actually say subscribe to this girl? I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. This small YouTuber is really grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. And I'm just going to ask you again to please do the same. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you like my videos, you can share it to other people so YouTube can push this out and it can gain more traction, and hopefully so I can say I'm a YouTuber. But until then, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for coming back, and thank you for clicking. If this is your first time, I really appreciate it. It's me, your girl, Ayo Otomiwa, whichever one you know me as. Thank you.